Back, we're talking weather. Meteorologist Maria Ruiz, and we're talking about those showers coming in. Any time frame on when we could see them? Rush hour?
Yeah,
many
so
hours
rush hour may be an issue, unfortunately, and I know those crews are working hard to pick up from that trail derailment. That might be an issue as well.
And people are back at work.
Exactly. This is a really busy week, and we're going to notice rain, really better coverage between 4 and about 8 today. Yeah, I know a lot of people are on the road, so just be prepped for it. I want to show you what it looks like outside. This is a mix of sunshine and cloud cover as seen from our Cedar Hill camera. Temperature of 44 degrees, but whenever you factor in the wind, it actually does feel cooler than the actual temperature. Right now over downtown Dallas, we're seeing a little more blue sky, but that won't be the case here in a few hours. Wind out of the southeast at 5 to 10. Eventually it'll be out of the north at about 10 to 15. Now, a lot of the temperatures, mainly to the west and to the southwest of DFW, will stay in the mid 40s. This is because of the cloud cover, the rain that we talked about at the top of the hour, and also just that breezy at times wind. A few locations in the Metroplex could make it to 50, but many locations will struggle to get out of the 40s. Today, the rain coverage goes up at about 4, up to 40%. 60% by 6, 70% by 8, about 50% by 10, and by around midnight, we'll start to see a lot of this tapering off. That cloud cover is rolling in as we speak, and the rain already south of Abilene towards San Angelo and closer to the hill country. That's the rain that's going to move in here within the next few hours. We're seeing it mainly south of Eastland, closer towards Brownwood, but it is moving to the northeast, and we'll eventually see it get here as we approach, say, 3, 4 in the afternoon. I'm going to stop the clock here Tuesday, 4 in the afternoon, and notice this is Interstate 20 here. Notice how a lot of this is going to stay south. We'll see some very light rain north of that, but a bulk of the rain today will be south of the Metroplex. That's where the heaviest rain will be, and we'll continue to see the highest coverage there also. This is Tuesday around 6. I'm going to fast forward to about 8. We're still seeing it pretty good consistency there, and then after 8 it starts to thin out just a tad, and by midnight I'm thinking a lot of it starts to really dwindle down. By tomorrow morning, most of this will be gone and we'll just be left with some cloud cover overhead. I'm not expecting a lot of accumulation today. In the Metroplex, less than 1/4 of an inch. If you're south of DFW, that's including Johnson, Ellis County towards Hill County, closer to about 1/4 of an inch. Closer to Central Texas, 1/2 an inch. If you're north of Interstate 20, anywhere between a trace to about 1/10, it's just not going to be a lot of rain today. That's just round 1. This is a look at round 2, and this is a quick look. This is Friday as we approach 6 or between 6 and 8 in the morning. Notice how it is a bit widespread. The heaviest rain will be well southeast if you're closer to the southeast Texas coastline. Most of us will see the rain on Friday. Coverage is looking really high. The threat for severe weather today is really low. The threat for severe weather on Friday is really low. This is going to continue through Friday afternoon. It tapers off by Saturday. So I'm thinking most of Saturday will be dry, just a little cloudy. That's round 2. Round 3 holds off until Monday, and on Monday also looking at pretty high coverage, about a 60%. Monday is looking interesting though, because we could have a little bit of an uptick in the potential for thunderstorm activity, especially southeast of North Texas. I'm looking at Houston, areas of Louisiana. In North Texas, the threat is really low. We still have several days until we kind of fine tune some of these details, but a few locations could be dealing with some strong storms, mainly southeast of Navarro County, southeast of the Metroplex. Between now and Monday, so the next 3 rounds, we are looking at anywhere between 1 to 1.5 inches of rain. That does include DFW, higher totals to the east, lower totals to the west. I've posted this graphic on social media so you can take a closer look at it as well. So the next several mornings, they're going to be chilly, so just do plan on that. We are going to also see the rain a few times. We have about 4 rounds total in the next 2 weeks, and as of now, I don't have any winter weather in the next couple of weeks. We'll be back.